Hey guys, it's Tomatoda, and today's video isn't exactly what I had planned, but I lost track of time this week because I got distracted by a different side project. It's not a Keycap project, but this video is the best that I could do on a short notice, so I apologize, but I just really wanted to do that side project. It consumed me this whole week. I couldn't sleep well because I kept having dreams about it, just trying to figure out how to do it. Cause originally I thought it would be super easy, bam, done, cute. But it wasn't that easy. I mean, in theory, the execution is simple, but in reality, there were several obstacles and I had to redo the project and try different methods until I finally got it. And like I said before, I was trying to solve it in my dreams too. But thankfully, I did finally get it and I figured out an easier method to go about the project than my first attempt or my first theory or execution, so that when I make the tutorial, you guys don't have to struggle unless you enjoy struggling. I'm not judging you, but anyways, I'm happy it at least worked out. However, bad time management, and I knew the entire time I was working on the side project that I was gonna be fucking myself over this week, but I just couldn't help myself because when I'm inspired, I have to put everything down and just do it. I don't know if you guys are the same, but results are so different when you're crafting while you're inspired versus crafting when you're not inspired. Yeah, so when inspiration gives you a booty call, you gotta answer. Originally, I was going to post my final experimental keycap video this week, which will be posted next week instead, by the way. But seeing as how I'm kind of addicted to making keycaps at the moment, I didn't think I would be, but now that I'm down this rabbit hole, I'm pretty addicted and I can't seem to stop. So there's gonna be a few more keycap video content coming. I'm sorry if you're sick of, keycap videos, but I can't help myself. It's just really fun and I'm trying to get it out of my system as quickly as possible so that I can move on to the other 30 projects that I've had on my list for several months now. Anyways, regarding this video, if you guys follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know that I am attempting to fill up a whole keyboard with Pokemon keycaps, and there's 60 to 70 keycaps that I need to make, and for some reason, my dumbass thought I could do it all in 2 weeks. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. I was definitely delusional. This Vaporeon keycap alone took me more than 4 hours to complete. At first, I was it's probably taking me really long than it should have because I'm filming the process and crafting on camera makes things more complicated since my phone is obstructing my view. The ears on this Vaporeon, I had to redo it several times until eventually I was just fuck it, I'm gonna do it off camera. And then I did it off camera and I got it in one try, but it just took me several tries to capture it on film and eventually I just didn't. So I don't know, I was just thinking maybe that's why it took me more than 4 hours. But then right afterwards I made a Jolteon keycap and I didn't film that at all, but that also took me over 4 hours. So shit man, there goes my whole day. By the way, this video is also sped up 2 times the speed, so I don't actually work this fast. I wish I did. That's what she said. Maybe that's not what she said. On another note, I want to let you guys know that I applied for Anime St. Louis and Setsukon, so if I get into the artist alley, hopefully I'll see you guys there. Unless the panorama gets worse, cause safety first. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys for watching and putting up with me. I love you all. Bye bye!